Hey, good morning. It's Greg here at Antrim. I wanted to give you a closer look at this RAV you inquired about. Car's in pretty good shape overall. Tires are nice and deep. Look in there. A couple little marks on the wheels, but nothing really super standing out to me. The paint's shiny. Apologize for the sun there. It is a limited all-wheel drive. A little scuff there in the plastic part of the rear bumper. It's not on the painted part. The wheels on this side look to be good as well. The paint is good on this side as well. Don't see anything to note. It does have the roof rails on it. It does have a sunroof. It has a two-tone black and saddle interior, if you can see that. It is a push-button start. Being the limited, it has the larger display in the middle with the backup camera. It has the Toyota factory mats in it. There's power seats. All the features you would expect in a vehicle as such. Apps here. You have the maps, Pandora, weather, iHeartRadio, Bing. Of course, the dual temperature control, the push that button start. And then down below you have controls for the Eco and Sport mode, the heated seats, USB input, and a auxiliary input. It is an automatic transmission. Car smells nice and clean inside. I don't think the car was ever smoked in. It smells fresh and the leather's in good shape. I don't see any rips or tears or marks or anything up front or in the back. Good shape back there as well. Very different color combination, but it works. It looks good in the black car. I like it. Back in the back. Let's take a look at the cargo area here. It's helpful. It has a cargo cover. Just have the JBL sub for the audio system. Spare tire jack and tools and everything's down below. It is nice and dry down there. Pull out cover. So I hope this is helpful. If you have questions, please feel free to give me a call here at the store. My name is Greg. My phone number is 717-597-6708. And again, it's Greg Keihl here at Antrim Honda in Greencastle. 717-597-6708. Thanks so much, and I hope you have a great weekend.